And welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing this very pretty look that is perfect for weddings, proms, graduations, anything really. So if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So for today's video I've already done my base and my brows, just so that we can cut down on the time a little bit, and you've seen it like a billion times. For this video I will be using the, oh let's see, it's kind of big, In the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 1 from the Balm. And I will just go in with ice right about now. But yeah, I will start by going in with the color Mischievous Marissa, and this is from the Shady Lady collection, I believe. And I will just be putting this in my outer corner, I think. And next I am going in with the Mary Lumenizer, and I will be putting this over my entire lid, I think. And I will also be putting a bit of this under my brow. So shimmery! Yeah, and next I will be going back in with Mischievous Marissa, and I will be putting this below my lower lash line in the outer corner. Like so. And I will be putting a bit more of the Mary Lumenizer in my inner corner. And now I will be going in with the veryme Extendalash Mascara by Oriflame. And I will be putting on lashes later, as normal. So now I will be finishing my face, and I am still using the In the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 1 palette from the Balm. And I will be shading my face using the Bahama Mama. I will be going in with the teeniest tiniest bit of Cabana Boy. So it's a very dark blush, so that's why I'm trying to be as careful as possible. And for highlighter, I'm going back in with the Mary Lumenizer. And for lips, I think I will be going in with the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick, and this is in the color Honeymoon. the last step is lashes, and today I am using the Hallberg edition by Sweed lashes. So they are singles and triplets and twins. So I will be putting a few of those on and I will be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. It's a very fast, very just pretty, I would say, look. Yeah. And you can of course wear any color lip with this, any type of lash. I just wanted to do something very simple that doesn't, well, it doesn't do a lot, but it gives it just like a little bit of fluff. So yeah, very just glowy, gorgeous, simple look. Perfect for prom, wedding, graduation, you name it. It's perfect for everything. Anyways, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought or what you want to see in a future video. And I will see you next time. Bye!